It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. Today's video, basically I'm doing some little cosmetic mods.
Coronavirus! I'm telling you, it's real. It's getting real.
Corona. Hey, but yeah, so today I'm doing some cosmetic mods to the vehicle. So I went on eBay. I was looking for some cheap stuff that I could get for the car, just to make the car look a little better, in my opinion. Because, in my opinion, I feel like if you got your own car and you're doing something special to it, you should try to make it your own, or try to stand out in some type of way. Make your car yours. You know what I mean? Like, at the end of the day, this is gonna be a show car. I am doing performance mods to the car, but at the end of the day, I'm not like a die-hard street racing, like 20K on this race. Like, I don't.
Yeah, his motor is 0.3 liters bigger, 530 horsepower. All I got is a tune and a car that intake.
I'm not really into. I'm just getting into racing, like drag racing and stuff like that. So I am trying to do some performance stuff, but at the end of the day, this is gonna be like a street car, a YouTube car, a show car. So I gotta do some show car stuff to this car. So basically today we're getting a GT500 wing installed. We're gonna do a custom carbon fiber steering wheel and a wicker bill on top of the GT500 wing on the back, just to stand out a little bit more. If this is your first time watching, like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. But yeah, so I'm headed up to Next Gen Speed. They did my last Hellcat and my Scat Pack, so I'll leave a couple videos of what they did on those right here. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. Got the diffuser on. Didn't get the wicker bill. I know it's dirty, but this is the steering wheel. That junk is hard though. I can't lie. It ain't heated, but it is what it is. Come up to Next Gen Speed.
Anything you need.
Yes, sir. Right. But yeah, so they did that to my Hellcat and Scat Pack and all that good stuff. So it came out really good. They real professional. Shout out to Next Gen Speed. Follow them on Instagram. I'll probably put it somewhere in the bottom corner or something like that. But yeah, so I'm headed up there right now. I got about a 30-minute drive, and I'll see y'all once I'm up there. Next time you see me, the car parts will probably be on, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, I'll see y'all later when I get there, or when I get the car back, whichever order comes first, and we'll see how the car looks afterward. All right, peace. This is the finished product. Leave a comment below and tell me what y'all think. I got the wicker bill on top of the GT500 wing. This is the very top of it. And I got the black GT. Post the air lights and stuff. I also blacked out the side badges. 5.0. I think it gives it like an aggressive look, especially in the back. They go real 5 in the back. See if I can show the profile. That look nasty, y'all. That looks so nasty. So, and I also got done steering wheel, so I got Alcantara and carbon fiber. That look nasty, y'all. So the Mustang is coming together. I'm just taking it home now, and I'll explain to y'all what else I'm getting done to it. Because the car will be gone for a few days, so I'm gonna explain to y'all what's going on. All right, 1 second. All right, so I had to stop and get some gas right fast, as y'all can see. $37.97, and that's for like 3/4. So this car ain't that bad on gas, but yeah. So do y'all like the steering wheel and the wing and stuff? You can see it from the back. Like, it look like a whole different car, but I think it make it look like a GT500, even though it's not a GT500. Even though it's gonna be more powerful than the GT500 pretty soon. Wink, wink. But yeah, so later on today, or in this video, it's gonna be like later on today, but I'm getting the oil pump gears done, lowering springs, and some suspension work for, you know, the drag strip and stuff like that. Because I do plan on taking this car to the drag strip eventually. I'm gonna try to do it before the season ends for sure. But I got a surprise for y'all next week. Y'all gotta watch the video next week. Stay tuned. The car is gonna be gone from tonight until next Friday. So the car is gonna be gone for like a week or so, like a week and a half. So bear with me. I got a lot of stuff coming soon. Y'all gonna like it. If this is your first time watching, like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm gonna end the video out here. Shout out to Next Gen Speed. I'll probably put it somewhere in the video. That's it, man. I'm excited, y'all. Y'all better be excited. Like this video. Subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm out this thing. Peace.